So guys, this is absolutely incredible. This is a Brabus G800 G-Wagon, except it's half size. It's actually a Suzuki Jimny with a full Brabus conversion. I think this is absolutely awesome. Great little car to drive around town. It's got the AMG wheels. It's even got functional side exit exhaust pipes. There you go, you've got the V8 bi-turbo badge there. Just give you a look, even the doors are converted as well. Same door handles they use on the G. And it's got a full quilted leather interior. Look at that. Brabus, even the headrests. That is so cool. Even the door cards as well. Really special. And, just for the icing on the cake, it's got stars on the roof. How cool is that?